Hi guys. So today we're going to be fixing a doorknob. This is our bathroom, and as you can see, that's no bueno. So let's get some tools and get to work. Alright, we got a Phillips screwdriver and a new doorknob. And we got one with the lock. You don't have to get one with the lock, but it's a bathroom door, so you might want to. So first thing that we're going to do is we've got to there's two screws on the doorknob, and we're just going to take those out of there. We're also going to make sure that the door is open. That way we can get into it. All right, once we get those out of there, now we're going to take the other side off and pull the guts completely out of it. Oh, and then we'll open up our new doorknob. Pro tip, if you do get a lockable doorknob, you're going to want the one that you can unlock with a screwdriver, because your kids are going to lock the door, then they're going to close the door, and you want to be able to get in without having a key. So we'll take that out of there. It comes with a little hardware packet. All right, this has got our screws and our plate. I'm going to use the existing plate. And then new innards. So first thing that you're going to do is you're going to slide the innards in. And you're going to make sure that this faces where it's going to close. All right, and it really doesn't fit, but there's an easy fix for that. Just grab you a drill with a decent sized drill bit, and then we'll miter some of that out of there. I'll be right back and get the drill. All right, got the drill. Now it was catching on the top and bottom of this piece here. So what I'm going to do is drill on the top and bottom where it needs. And I'm going to set that drill bit inside the hole and then just push down and then waller it out a little bit and then do the same thing for up top. Close that vent, that way none of it goes inside of there. Take out little bits at a time whenever you do this. You want it to just barely fit in there and be nice and snug. I'm going to take out a little more. Perfect. All right. Now let me give you a better angle and we'll take a look at it from in here. Okay. So here we've got two holes on either side here. And that's where the doorknob is actually going to go into. After you take it apart, it's going to slide in there just like that. And it's a pretty tight fit. So what you're going to want to do is make sure that after you put that in there like that, you're going to have enough room to get your doorknob on there. And on this door, I'm going to have to take out just a little bit right here. So I'm going to do that same trick with the drill, and we'll be right back. Now that we've done that, we've taken a little bit out of here, and you can see those holes really nicely. So in our hardware bag, we've got some screws, and we're going to mount this right into the door. After you've got those screws in, you're just going to slide that in the keyhole. And that side's done. And that's going to be your outside. So let's get the door closed and do the other side. Inside of here, on the lockable side, you'll see a little tab, and you'll have to look in there. It won't show it on camera. But this long piece of metal here will fit inside that tab. Just like that. And then we're going to take our longer screws and put them in here. All right. You can see I got just a little bit of wood here that's uncovered that should be covered. There's a little space right there. So I'm going to push that doorknob back. While it's pushed back, I'll finish tightening it up. Now you can put the old crank down on her. Check for function, make sure that it'll close. It locks, it unlocks, and the doorknob don't pull off anymore. So I think we got a win today. All right, well, thanks for joining us today, and I hope you learned something. If you want, I'll put links in the description to the doorknob, and it does help me out. I get a certain percentage off of your total sale whenever you buy off of my link. So I appreciate it, guys. Thanks for coming along.